Your next car could be the 2026 Subaru Forester. This well-built Forester delivers confidence, comfort, and capability. Advanced safety tech, a smooth ride, and all-wheel drive position you for success on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels. With its sleek design and exceptional versatility, the Subaru Forester is ready to take you wherever the road leads.